Your money is leaking every single month, and you don't even see it. You get paid, bills get paid, you live your life, and then you check your account, and there's way less left than you expected. For most people, the problem isn't big purchases. It's not rent, it's not groceries, it's the small stuff you stop noticing. Subscriptions, fees, daily habits that feel harmless. $10 here, $5 there, a charge that feels too small to care about. But when those happen automatically, they quietly drain your money every month. This is why so many people feel stuck. They're not irresponsible, they're not bad with money, they just never saw the leak. Here's the part nobody explains clearly. Money doesn't disappear all at once. It leaks slowly. And slow leaks are the hardest to notice, but the easiest to fix. So let's close them, step by step. First, here's what to check today. Open your bank or credit card app. Look at the last 30 days. Now sort your transactions by the smallest amounts. Those are usually the leaks. Anything you don't clearly remember using, pause on it. Don't judge it yet, just notice it. Awareness alone stops a lot of bleeding. Next, here's what to fix this week. Cancel or downgrade anything you don't actively use. If you forgot you had it, you don't need it. This isn't about cutting joy. It's about alignment. Your money should support your life, not disappear in the background. Now here's what to automate on your next paycheck. Before you spend anything, automatically move a small amount into savings. Even $20 counts. You can't leak money you never touch. This one change flips the system in your favor. Now let's make this real. $5 a day doesn't feel serious, but that's about $150 a month. That's $1,800 a year. Doing nothing keeps the leak open. Fixing just one small thing starts closing it. This won't solve every money problem overnight. And if income is extremely tight, progress will feel slower. But for most people, this creates breathing room fast, and that matters. This is what financially responsible adults do. They stop the leaks before chasing more income. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start with step 1. Save this so you don't forget. Subscribe for simple money clarity.